Guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a project share for you today. I am working on a take flip that Tamika over at Scrap the World is hosting, and there's a couple requirements in it. It's just a simple tag flip. The first tag on it has to be like your wow tag, really layered up, bling it out, make it look cool, make it kind of your style so it symbolizes you. There has to be a dangle on it, binder ring, some trim on the ring, a homemade embellishment, a store-bought goodie. I think that's it, and then packaged up cute. So I had some Dollar Tree footage for you guys. I accidentally deleted it on my phone, so I don't have the haul that I did, but I found these little vinyl bags at Dollar Tree, and this is what I decided to package my swap in. So you had to make 3. It fits perfectly in there like that. I wanted to add a couple extra things, but I don't have room, so I'm just gonna go with what this is, and I'm totally fine with that, but I just wanted to use up some more of my summer goodies. So this is one, the other one is tucked in there like that. It fits just perfectly in there. So let me show you what I did. So the rings I actually got from scrapbook.com. They're part of the Buenos collection, which is the collection that I used. So they actually had binder rings that matched. So I have an aqua ring here. I have a whole rainbow of colors here because this is a very colorful collection. I wanted to pull in all the different colors. So I have some blues, some aquas, yellow, peach, and then 2 shades of pink. My dangle that I used are these little cute Christmas ornaments that I got at Christmas time at Walmart. They were in like their miniature ornament section, and I grabbed them then, and I've been hanging on to them since then. So it's like this little pom-pom on a flamingo, and I have 4 of them, so that is my dangle. It matches perfectly. Here is my card. I went with the flip-flops die. I did like the 10-inch foam on the flip-flops. I put the 2 flip-flops together so they are like resting on top of each other. I embellished the tong part of the flip-flop with flowers and cardstock and foam sentiments from the collection. I've got some like enamel hearts here, some cardstock hearts, some puffy stickers, some little enamel dots down in the corner. I put a gold piece on the top where I put my hole punch through. I did some chipboard stickers up here, so it is chocked full of goodness on that first tag. This tag is just a frame. I had some gold frames that I'd picked up, I think at Hobby Lobby, no, at Joann's in their like Park Lane collection. So I just took the gold Polaroid frame. I put one of these soda bottles that I had made. I have like some sequins in there that kind of look like bubbles. Did a little embellishment cluster on the bottom, and I just kind of kept that plain. Here's just a simple tag with some, I did a sewing around the edge. I wanted to do more sewing, but my sewing machine is acting up, and I think I have to get a new one, unfortunately. But it's got chipboard layers. It's got some of the acrylic pieces from the collection. So I just kept that one in a rectangle shape. I did a trim tag, which is one of my favorite things to do. I love this die. It is my favorite die to do trim on, and I wanted to do a lot of different trims, so I tried to keep them kind of thin trim, so I did 5 different ones there for them. This is some tags that I picked up at Dollar Tree. These are luggage tags, and they came on this like kind of ugly brown packaging, so I took it off and just made a slit in a piece of paper from the collection and looped it on there, and then looped the tag of it onto my binder ring. So I love how that looks. That's just so fun, that little bus. This tag is pretty cool. I just did like a library pocket here, and then I have an acetate piece here that's actually attached to the binder ring, and that is my embellishments. And I did these cassette tape embellishments, and I love this die. This die is so fun. I grew up on cassette tapes, so absolutely love it. I don't think I mentioned this, but one of the requirements was a to from tag, so I did a to from tag. This is one that they can use if they want to. So just layered that up with enamel dots, chipboard, acrylic pieces. I did kind of a double tag here and then a little ribbon and tied it off there with some baker's twine. And then these slide into the library pocket nice and tight. They slide in there nice and tight. All right, there we go. And then I just attached on each one some stickers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So this was the roller skates. So I had a tag that had my information on it, but I ended up not using that. So I'm going to have to include my name some other way. I think what I'm going to do is I have these little extra binder rings. They're smaller ones. Let's see if I can find them here. I just kind of threw everything back. I didn't organize my extras very well. They look like this. They're this size, and I'm wondering if I can just stamp my information on a tag. Yeah, and I think I'll just hook that there. So I'll just do something like that with my stamp. This stamp here from Zazzle that just says simply Home by Nikki. So they know who it's from. And then, like I said, this fits really snug right deep inside there. And I'm just going to put these 3 in like a padded envelope and send it off. And I think it'll work out good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love this collection. I'm so happy that I got to play with it. It's been hanging out in my craft room for about a year, and I've just been kind of drooling over it. So I'm so happy to be able to use it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.